My kids just created this gingerbread house from this kit, and I gotta tell you that this is the best kit I have tested, and I have tested a lot of kits. What I love about this kit is how high quality all of the elements are. It comes with the separate pieces and the frosting. I actually split the frosting into its existing squeeze container, and then I added some of it to an additional squeeze container so each of my kids could use the frosting at the same time. And then it came with so many Christmas themed candies. You have little pieces of holly, you have little lights, you have snowflakes, the gumdrops. It even has candy canes. It's so very cute. And as you can tell, my kids had an absolute joy putting this together. I have a 10-year-old and a 13-year-old, and they really did put in the time this year, each doing their side. The only piece that is an addition are the Hershey's Kisses along the bottom. Those are some peppermint Hershey's Kisses my kids added. And I would say my only complaint about it is on the bottom. It does come with this plastic little tray that you put it in to hold it together to begin with. I'm sure I could break it out of the plastic tray once all the pieces harden. It's not required that it stays in the tray, but it's really easy, especially with kids, for the tray to become decorated as well. My plan for it is to cover it with some glue and flocks to make it look snowy, because no one's eating this at this point anyway. When it comes down to it, the kids only nibble when they put this together. Overall, this is an amazing gingerbread house, and if you've been looking for a wonderful holiday activity to do with your kids, I cannot recommend this enough.